In a forest alive with colour, a sly little creature plots. Whiskers twitching, the clever fox gazes at the horizon. Danger lurks and worry fills the air. Above, a mischievous fellow flips and twirls through the treetops. His laughter dances with the breeze. Skillful hands unlock secrets in every cage he encounters. High above, a watchful sentinel glides. Each flap of wings is a warning bell. She searches, her heart beats fast, alerting friends to what's near. Shadows invade the sanctuary, cages clatter ominously, echoing through the trees. Malice enters where joy once thrived, a chilling presence. Huddled close, hearts racing, strategies unfold like petals. The plan begins with hope, but hides a flaw, whispering uncertainties through the leaves. With quick, clever strokes, paths twist and turn on the ground. New ideas spark like lightning, igniting resolve. The chase is on, but not in the way they expect. As traps are set, wild confusion reigns. The hunters chase flashes of orange, blue, and brown. Yet the forest, for it is a maze, holds secrets deep. United in motion, they twirl and leap. Breezes carry them away, like whispers of the wind. Together they act as one, turning fear into flight. A sudden wave of freedom sweeps through the glade. Cages creak as doors swing open. Hope flickers like fireflies igniting the night. Confusion turns to chaos. Shadows trample over themselves, faces painted with bewilderment. Laughter echoes, a delightful sound of escape. Safe upon their throne of leaves, they gaze at the painted sky. Day begins to fold into night. In silence, they cherish their courage and friendship. Together they stand, silhouettes against the golden sky. The bond forged in adventure gleams brighter than the sunset. Bravery has written their story.